Hello everyone and welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to share a ChatGPT chat with our friends, family, or anyone we want. How to share a ChatGPT chat. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So whether you are on desktop or mobile, all you have to do is once you are inside the ChatGPT chat, on the top right hand side, you're going to see the share button. You're going to click the share button, and that's it. So once you click the share button, there is a link that you copied, and you can go to WhatsApp, you can go to email, you can go to a browser, you can paste this link. You can actually send it to anyone, and once people click on this link, they will be able to see your chat with ChatGPT. That's it. So every chat in ChatGPT has a link. You can copy this link by simply clicking the share button on the desktop on the top right hand side, and you can share this link with anyone. And if people click on this link, they will be able to see your ChatGPT conversation. So you are in control to whom you want to share this link to, and that's exactly how you can share ChatGPT chats. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.